Dubai has a reputation of giving you best value for your money. Let's see if that's the case as I reveal Barsha Heights Millennium Hotel. So I arrived in a little bit early, around 10 a.m. and I had an early check-in, hoping to see if my room would be available. So I was lucky. So when I got there, I got to check in way early before check-in time, which is at 2. So here am I getting into the lifts are very beautiful. Everything is very functional. So I checked into the room to see how it was like. I must say I was very impressed. The room was so spacious because I had only booked for a single occupancy superior room, but I think I got upgraded, or maybe this is their superior rooms. The room was amazing. It smelled so heavenly. I think they made sure everything is cleaned up to the T, because I have gone to hotels before where you can tell the house is clean but it doesn't smell fresh. This was so polished. Everything was smelling amazing. I had like this guest toilet. When you enter, there's this whole lounging area with the whole eating table. There was a huge balcony outside to like accommodate a lot of people. If you have a party, it would be amazing. It's a whole big veranda type of a balcony that goes all the way to the other side of the room. I'll show you when I go to the next room. It was very big. Actually, there's no activities happening on the other side, but I did get a better view on the other room where there's more of the buildings that are already there. They give an amazing aesthetic at night. I was staying in for just a night, so I could check the place out. So as soon as you go in, you have this amazing I don't know if it's a makeup area or sitting area or getting ready, like sort of like a walk-in closet with the closed closet. It was amazing, and the light was amazing, and the bedroom itself was just amazing. The wallpaper, I loved it. There's like 2 TVs in the room, the one in the bedroom and the one in the dining room. There's also another balcony here. I could actually open and go outside. This view is amazing at night. It's you can sit out there, have a wine, just have a good time by the balcony. If you are someone that likes to be outside most of the times, this is definitely ideal because the house is surrounded by balconies. So this was amazing. I would try to get a picture of how it looks at night. It's so amazing. You get to see all the buildings lit up with their beautiful lighting. You also get a view of those twin towers. I don't know what the name of those towers are, but they are probably also like very recognized buildings. Here is a full view of the bedroom. It is quite detailed, the way they placed everything. There's also a master bathroom here with a tub, which is what I needed. I was so excited when I saw the tub. I was like, this would be ideal for me. So you get your 2 sinks, his and hers, if you do come with someone, because the room was booked for 2 people. So they made sure to have everything in double. They had even in the wardrobe, I'll show you, they had everything for like 2 people. But I think this room is big enough to bring a family. If you have kids, I think you can still come. There'll be enough room. So see, we had our morning gowns, our morning shoes, extra blankets, extra pillows. There was also like the Bible to pray, like a Quran, actually, a mat to pray on. This was another balcony. I didn't open it because I was like, I am tired of these balconies, but I love balconies, so I was so happy. This is the one that is an extension from the dining. You can also open it through this walk-in closet. So they have everything prepared. They have teas, milk, water, a kettle if you want to make some tea. There's the supply for that. There is a whole flat screen TV. There's a whole barcode to access everything that you can get. I love the aesthetic of how they just have everything so aesthetically placed, like the remote had its own cover. I love the painting on the walls. It just gives it this vibe where you feel like you're at home. It's not too hotel, like you feel like so comfortable just being in this house. I was taking another look at the bathtub because I was making plans to jump in there as soon as I finish taking these videos. There's also like a scale to check your weight. You know, when you're in vacation, you tend to eat a lot, so that's like a reminder to slow down. So they have the lotions, they have the body wash as well in case you don't have. They make sure you have everything you need. They have the extra towels. They have a whole brushing kit. This is another view of the bedroom because they have a chiller couch there where you can just chill if you're trying to sleep, maybe read. I just love how this room is just so made with a lot of thought in it, because almost everything you need was in this house. Almost everything you need. There's like charging places inside of the bed. There's like some side lights. There's like some side lamps. The bedding, I tell you guys, the bed was the most amazing part of this house. It was the best bed I've ever slept on. I slept like a baby once I went on that bed. They have this whole bed linen information to tell you how was the bed made. It's just so amazing. Very detailed, very smart, very clean. I would just pay to sleep in this bed again. They have a phone where you can always call reception just a call away. They're very responsive, so you definitely feel value for your money because everything is just so 5-star, so up to the par. And they have a pencil for you to take a note if maybe you want to leave the note at the reception. If you want to write something, they have a notepad for you. Also the bathroom, there's a phone by the bathroom as well. I guess you can call somebody if something happens in the toilet. They're also thinking about that. A lot of extra towels. Stay tuned to check out the next video on the facilities. Bye.